All right, day two, we're going to be working on combining terms to solve equations. So basically the idea is here we're trying to combine terms to turn these equations into two-step equations that we can solve from, similar to day one. Again, this is review. If you need more practice in this, there's plenty of practice online. I would suggest do that before you take the quiz if you're having any trouble with these. So with combining terms, what we're trying to do is find like terms. So in here we have the 2x and 3x, which are alike. They both have an x term. And we're going to combine them, and 2 and -3 on the same side is going to be -1x. And now we just have a two-step equation where we do the opposite. We do the inverse operations. -5, so we get -1x equals 5. Divide by -1, and x is -5. How do you check this? Again, plug in these numbers here. This is -10 plus 5, and then -3 times -5 is plus 15. Right, don't forget, negative times a negative is a positive. And then -10 plus 20 is 10, and that is correct. So we got through that check. Here's one that involves some distribution first. Remember, we always distribute first, and then we are going to combine like terms. So we are going to distribute this first. Two x and 5x is 7x. This is where we're going to combine our terms first. And now you notice we have a two-step equation. We can do -4, do the inverse, 28, which when we divide by 7 gives us a 4. Again, let's go through the check. Four plus 2 is 6, times 2 is 24. Should probably put a 4 in there. Plus 20. Or sorry, 6 times 2 is 12. Again, you will make mistakes. You see that I'm making mistakes, but 6, here we go. So this is 12 plus 20 equals 32. And boom, we got our correct answer. So again, these require a lot of steps. There are opportunities to make mistakes when you do this. My suggestion is to slow down, take your time to avoid the mistakes. And again, you can see I was somewhat rushing through this and made a simple mistake here. Go back, check, use your calculators, take your time. If you have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, good luck.